just a little retracement back into the zone, and you can join the sales. Okay, we can join the sales on NZDUSD. All right, so that's it, guys. Hey peeps, AdmireFX right here. So welcome back to my channel. So you can see how price played out last week. Okay, we had a very profitable week on price forecast projections and the trades we took. You can see how NZDUSD and several other pays played out perfectly just as analyzed. Okay, so most of the pays had some deep retracement for last week, and it was all awesome trades that we took. And so apparently, so we are going to look at what we are trading this week and the best possible areas of entries for the pays that we'll be looking out for, which is NZDUSD, gold, GBP-USD, EURUSD, and AUDUSD. So if you're not subscribed to this channel, please do well to smash the subscribe button, smash the like button, and turn on post notification. Click on the bell icon to turn on post notifications so that you could be notified each time we drop more forex educational content like this. All right, so without further ado, you can see the before and the after of how NZDUSD played out. So which was last week, which is what we are still seeing here. Okay, which is what we are still seeing here playing out, which is the before and the after of NZDUSD. So this week, okay, price has had retraced all the way to the zone in which we're looking for, which was the 0.5800 level, okay, for NZDUSD. Then, so I told you guys last week that price will be on a deep retracement on most of the pays because of the NFP news, which was dropped, the fundamental which was being dropped. So this week too, I think we have CPI this week, so it will also help price to push price to its actual direction. So for NZDUSD, okay, we'll do a little bit top down analysis. You see price is on our bias, okay, has never changed. Even from last week we spoke about price has been on a downtrend. Even as of last week we spoke about the mean time retracement, okay, that the sales that we'll be trading is just a trend in trend, okay, that's not actually the trend for it. So the sales will be trading that is a minor trend for the trend. So apparently we were looking out for price to sell all the way to this zone. So from this zone now, that's why I still have this my arrow here, okay, so I'll just adjust it a little bit. So what we'll be looking out for NZDUSD is price to, since it's already ranging here, maybe by Monday or Tuesday price would then give us some reactions at this place, okay, after the range, give us some reactions, then maybe some fundamental news will also help you push all the way to the upside. So we'll be expecting price to react to the upside from here. Why are we saying so? Because if you look here, right, looking at the left hand side, you see price has created a chart pattern for us, which is a inverse head and shoulder. Okay, even before this inverse head and shoulder, if you are used to watch initial chart patterns that we use even to identify before hitting inverse head and shoulders, you know that we have a divergence here. So price actually broke out of this divergence, okay, broke out of this chart pattern, which is the inverse head and shoulder. So now what we are now having this week, okay, we had last week actually was a breakout and then a retracement back to test this chart pattern. So on seeing what price does here, okay, so we will be looking out for a bullish continuation from around this zone, okay, a bullish continuation of NZDUSD. So you can use whichever of your strategy. However, for most of you that are not on our Telegram community, okay, you can join our free Telegram community. There we drop free signals on our Telegram community, so you can also benefit from it, okay. So next on is gold, okay. For gold, you can see how gold played out last week, okay. I will drop here. You can see the before and the after of gold, how it played out if you watched that video last week, and I'll paste it somewhere here on the screen while doing this recording, okay. For gold, we're projecting some same bearish retracement, some bearish trend of gold, okay. If you look at gold has been on a very nice bullish trend all the way to the upside for some weeks now, okay, for over 6 weeks, which is about 2 months of bullish move all the way to the upside. So apparently we'll be looking out for gold to continue on a bearish move. Why do I say so? Okay, because if you look at the daily time frame, we have gold closing inside here. We have gold closing below structure here, okay, below structure, to close below structure, though we had a retracement inside here, but we had gold to closing below structure. So apparently we should still be seeing more bearish continuation on gold. So where is the next possible area in which we can look out for entries? Okay, so gold will still continue its bearish move, bearish continuation all the way to this zone. Okay, so what we'll be looking out for now is for us to have a retracement back to this key level, okay, then go to retest this level and push all the way to the 1900, okay, 1900 area, which is this next zone here, is what is the next possible area for gold to retrace from. Then probably when gold gets to this area, we may now look out for bullish continuation, but for now, for this week, we'll be looking out for more continuations to the downside. Okay, more bearish continuations to the downside. Why are we looking for both bearish continuations? Same thing that we saw in NZDUSD. Chart patterns are always printed almost everywhere, if not everywhere, before price reverses. Okay, there's most likely to create a chart pattern, which is what we saw here. If your eye is sharp enough, you can see a head and shoulder here. Okay, even with the head and shoulder, okay, even before the head and shoulder or inside the head and shoulder, you can see a double top inside here. So when you see chart patterns like this, that is why we had we were looking out for a break and retest of this zone. That was how we were able to sell gold last week and send the projections, which we even stated it here before price started playing out during the weekday. So that's the essence for always checking up on our weekly forex forecast, okay, on the page that we will be looking out to trade in the coming weeks. So you shouldn't be missing this. So always do well to like, share, subscribe, and share this with your friends and other traders like mine, so that they can also benefit from this free content like you do. So that's it for gold though. Okay, we'll be looking out for a meantime retracement back to the 19001, okay, between the 19008 to the 19001, which is this next support area here, which I did mark out. Okay, so this is the area we'll be looking out for gold to push all the way to the, maybe from there we can look for more bullish continuation. All right, so that's it for gold. So next up is GDP USD. For GDP USD, same thing, we predicted some bearish. You can see the before. I'll paste the before and the after somewhere around this video. Okay, you can see the before and after of GDP USD on how we took it last week. So this is the area in which we're looking out for price to play out. As the last week when we sent out the video, you can see price was just these two massive bearish candles. So we saw that price will still push all the way to the downside. Okay, we had two levels in consideration, which was this first level and this other level. So apparently price missed this other level. Okay, even we took two losses were what we took, which was just 2% of our account. Okay, which wasn't much. We made about 12%. Okay, so we gave back 2% to the market, 2% loss. So we came out with a pure profit of 10% as at the trades we took last month. So most of the trades were bearish moves and gave us the profit of 12R. Okay, which is 12% of our account. So apparently we lost 2%, 1% in this trade and 1% in EURUSD, which we are going to look at it. So this bearish sentiment was same thing we predicted. You will see the before and the after somewhere in this video. Okay, so this is the next zone here. So I'll move this here. This is the next zone, this support area. Okay, so I can either expand this. Okay, I can either expand this. You guys can, if you watched last week video, you see how we were able to have this bullish these buys. Okay, these buy trades here during NFP that we caught a very nice entry at this area during NFP. So now, just like we anticipated, price is now retracing back to the zones that we are looking out for, which is the 1.2218. Okay, between the 1.219 to the 1.218 area, okay, is where we are looking out for price to buy from. Okay, the bullish continuation. So when market opens on Monday or Tuesday, apparently we'll have a bullish continuation to the upside. So we'll be favoring the upside for GDP USD. Okay, if you look at price here, why are we still favoring the upside? If you have watched our videos for the past 4 weeks, we have been trading nothing more than buys. Okay, because of a chart pattern we had here, which is our inverse head and shoulder and our divergence down here. So apparently price is finding its way to reverse or to a bullish continuation or a bullish new trend, which is a bullish trend. That's why you are seeing price finding it difficult to give us a smooth move, but we hope it would give us a smooth move this coming week. Okay, so that is it for GDP USD. So next one is Euro USD. Euro USD is almost similar, but it has very nice confirmations. Okay, it's not actually a difficult one. That's why it's very good to know your top down analysis and how to do your top down analysis to analyze trend from the higher time frame. Okay, same thing with Euro USD. We are only bullish on Euro USD. Why is this so? Because if you look inside here, you see price has been reacting on this area, on this support area, which I've marked out. Okay, you can see price had touched this area several times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, so price, this is the 6th time in which price is actually reacting of this area. And if you also align your fundamentals, you see that the euro is always higher against the dollar. So mind you, this is the monthly time frame. So let's look for where we can make our possible best entries for the new week. On a weekly time frame, we can't really see anything. There's no much data here on the weekly time frame. So let's go to our daily time frame to see if we can see an area in which we can which we can make an entry off. So price is actually on a very nice key level. Okay, a minor key level, mind you. All right, so I'll look for a line to place it here. All right, where price is currently at. Okay, let's still scale down to our 4-hour time frame. All right, it's clearer here on the 4-hour time frame. So where price currently is actually a easy busy. All right, actually easy busy, nice one for this trade. So where price currently is, let me bring my drawing tool. All right, so where price currently is, what we'll be looking out for prices retrace into this zone. Okay, price has already retraced into this zone, which also matches with our key level. So nevertheless, we'll be looking out for price reaction from here all the way to the upside. Okay, but our first level target, if for those of you that are with us, you mostly know that we don't miss our first level target. Okay, so this is more than 1,000 pips push to the upside. So price is already giving us, though price, we took some buys here last week. Okay, we took some buys here. Our stop loss were just at the wick of this candle. Okay, just at the wick of this candle. So as you can see, we had some nice bullish move to the upside, which gave us almost 1:1. Okay, price gave us almost 1:1, but my principles almost makes me, I have to always close my trade minimum 1:1.5 or 1:2. So we could not get this trade, so price took us out, and price is still ranging around that area. Okay, that's still part of it. That's why you have to be able to know how to manage your risks properly. Like I said, we're still left profitable for last week, which we left with a profit of like 10% of our account. Okay, actually we made 12% profit as our Wednesday, Tuesday. Okay, then we had to close it and entered new trades, which was the GDP USD and the Euro USD as a Thursday, which was what took 2% of our account. Okay, so apparently this is it. So what would you guys should be doing would be price or market open London session on Monday or Tuesday, apparently Monday. So this is what we'll be looking out for, guys. Okay, first level target is this support area, this resistance area up here. So price will be buying all the way to the upside from here. So this is the area. All right, you can use whatever confirmations you like due to your strategy, or you can use mine. Right, for those of you that are not on a free Telegram community, you can join a free Telegram community. There I will drop the setup and the entries there for you guys too. All right, so that is it for Euro USD, easy busy. So next up is AUDUSD, guys. AUDUSD, All right, I'll drop the before and after somewhere in this video. You can see we were also projecting very deep retracement. All the pairs were actually retracing to the downside actually, because the actual trend for most of this space from my own analysis is a bullish trend. Okay, but you also know when trading the market that you should know that a price mostly moves in a wave. Okay, price moves in a wave. It doesn't move in a straight line. Okay, price moves in a wave, doesn't move in a straight line, because if it does, everybody will be forex millionaires or billionaires, as the case may be. Right, so AUDUSD also was not left out with some nice bearish sentiments, which you can see on the before and after of this video in which I dropped. So price has retraced to the zone in which we are also looking out for, which is the 0.635 area. Okay, where price currently is the 0.63 area. All right, so we'll be looking out for bullish move from here. We'll be looking out to going long from this area. Okay, where market opens by London session. All right, you can target your 1:2 face resistance, minor resistance level. You can target your minor resistance level inside here. Okay, you can target your minor resistance level inside here. So for AUDUSD, this is what we'll be looking out for. Price is already on our zone, so we're looking out for more push. And also, mind you, CPI is coming up on Thursday, so it will be very strong pushes for this space. Okay, for most of the pairs that we have dropped. So also, if you don't trade fundamentals, you should be careful with your trades, and always remember to include your stop loss when trading, guys. All right, so that's it for today. That's it for today and for this week analysis on the page which we have done: NZDUSD, gold, okay, GDP-USD, EURUSD, and AUDUSD. So if you want to trade the way like I do or how I do, you can just join my free Telegram community, DM me, and you can get our mentorship to know how I trade and how we are always able to predict market structure, trade price the way we do, almost at precision. Okay, so without further ado, please do well to like, share, subscribe, and click the bell icon to turn on post notification. Let us know if you are seeing same things that we are also seeing on this weekly top-down analysis that we are doing, okay, and market forecast. Let us know on the comment section if you're seeing the same thing or you're seeing something different. Okay, you can also share your opinion on the comment section. I'll always be there to reply you guys and also share mine with you guys. Okay, so without further ado, see you guys on the other side.